So today we're going to take a look at the RLX 355 Proturn lathe. There are 8 other machines in the family, so if you're interested in a different size machine, check out our website. The machine is fitted with a Proturn RLX touchscreen control. The Proturn control was first introduced into the UK in the early 90s. It was an immediate success and revolutionised many machine shops. The control has both manual and CNC functions with a simple to use interface, which gives you the ability to make low volumes and one-offs very quickly and easily, plugging that gap between manual and CNC machines. The RLX 355 is a solid cast iron machine with a one-piece bed and base. It also has induction hardened ways. This gives the base a massively rigid construction with a 52mm spindle bore and a 360mm swing over the bed. The 355 offers high-speed spindle with a 4000 RPM maximum speed. It also has constant surface speed, which gives you everything you need to produce components efficiently and with a great finish. The headstock is built using Japanese induction hardened and high-quality precision ground gears. 2 precision taper roller bearings and support journal bearing ensure spindle rigidity and concentricity. High pressure oil lubrication is provided to all gears and bearings via a pump and oil cooler, ensuring thermal stability, quiet running and long life. The machine has a 2-speed gearbox, ensuring you have the maximum performance when you need it. The machine comes with a heavy duty tailstock, and repositioning is effortless and is achieved by providing an air cushion that lifts the tailstock from the bed. The chock guard allows you to use the machine with the main guard up, making it easy to set the machine up and to do those manual operations. When you want to use the machine in full CNC mode, you can simply close the door, giving you the ability to keep all that swarf and coolant inside the machine. We have a front swarf tray with a separate coolant tank underneath, making maintenance on the machine very easy. You can also fit the machine with additional accessories, including a 4-position automatic tool post, making those more automated runs easier. The machine is fitted with a 3-jaw 200mm diameter chuck. However, as part of the optional equipment, drilling attachments can be added. This machine has been designed for a wide range of operators, from someone who has no CNC experience right through to the most seasoned programmer. There are plenty of features to help you produce a wide range of components, from producing tapers and radii in manual mode through to the more complex components. You can even have a DXF file converter that makes easy work of electronic drawings. This machine, like many of our other machines, are available ex-stock and can be delivered quickly. The machine, as per our full range of products, comes with free training, warranty and full support. To find out more information about this machine, or if you want to organise a demonstration, please give us a call on one of the numbers on screen.